Hey folks, Father Sympathy from CG Virus here. So someone asked about a grid node for Blender Compositor and also for Eevee, or the 3D stuff. So yep, here we go. So you can download it from here and the link will be in the description. So let's download it, and here we're going to extract it. And you will find it here in Compositor extra nodes and also in here in the grid node. So let's get started. Let's fire up Blender. There we go, and let's go to the compositing custom. Let's use nodes and let's append. Press F4, append, and let's go to desktop here, and I'm going to use the Compositor extra nodes all. Okay, and in the there it will be in node 3, and here is your grid. Okay, so now if I go to Shift A and let's search for grid, you'll find it here. Press Ctrl Shift to see the viewer. So it is, so it has one parameter here, but we will see other things. So this is the scale parameter. So the basic functionality, you will have it in texture editor, texture node editor. Go to brush, and here you will find the grid texture. Okay, so this is the grid texture basic. So here you can change your color as well. Okay, and also you can change your color from a mix node here. If you go to the multiply, you can change your color from here as well. Okay, so let's see the basic setups. So this is the thickness. You can increase or decrease. Press Shift to increase and decrease the thickness. Okay, you can go for scaling. Press Shift and increase or decrease your scaling. Okay, and yep, other things are fine. So this is one. We will see the making of as well. So let's see. And the 3D layout, you will find it with Shift A, mesh plane. So I have not included the 3D layout here, so because it's not non-compositor thing. So if you go to the shader editor and let's press F4. Yeah, press F4 and let's go to the append, and let's go to desktop. You will find the material in the grid node and in material. Okay, so this is the grid. There we go. So let's go to grid and let's go for render. There we go. Okay, so if you go here, you will find it here. So this is also same. So this is the thickness. Press Shift, yeah, and press size and change your color. You will see it only in of course in Eevee, only Eevee, I mean in the render engine. It is also, yeah, in cycle you can do it, in Eevee you can do it. Okay, so this is it. So these are procedural maps, so you can increase it or decrease it, not a problem. Okay, it will work. Okay, so let's see the making of. Okay, so for the compositing, what I'm going to do is basically we're going for a texture, and let's create some texture first. Go to the texture, new, and let's go to texture editor, brush, use node. I'm going to name it grid text, that, and press Ctrl Shift to see the color. Okay, let's do this guy. I'm going for a brick, connect it here. So now let's do it from here, grid texture, and you will see your stuff. Okay, so let's turn off brick alpha and brick 2 alpha. And I'm going for a mortar of white, and let's go for offset to 0. Frequency doesn't matter. Squash 1, frequency doesn't matter. So let's create a math node. Let's go for a multiply, and I'm going to value this and this. So this will create a square grid, and here we are going for 0.1 to minimize the thing, and now we are going for something like, yeah, this 1 is much more standard. There we go. Press Shift D to create this multiply value again, and for this one we're going for the thickness. Okay, and it should be the shift to see what can be done. Yeah, something like 0.05. There we go. So this is the thing, and we can change the parameter here. We can name it size or scale. There we go. And this one will be thickness. There we go. Okay, so now you have a fully procedural setup. So if you go to the scene, if you want to see it, if it's mathematically correct, so we can go for 1920, and let's see. Yeah, yep, it works. Okay, so now let's go for the EV shader. Yep, let's see. Okay, for EV shader we're going for Shift A and plane. It's a square plane, so press 7. There we go. And let's go to image shader editor. Let's create a new slot. I'm going to name it grid. There we go. Press N. So let's we need transparency here, so let's go to EV and let's go to the material node. Sorry, this is one. Yep, material node. I'm going for blend mode. Let's use alpha clip here, or you can use alpha blend, whatever. So here we go. Okay, so now let's create brick Dasha, and let's see it. There we go. Offset should be 0, and frequency 2 doesn't matter. Squash is 1, doesn't matter. Frequency 2. Okay, done. And the color I'm going for, let's see, let's use factor first to see things are alright. Yep, things are alright. So let's use the mortar as white, color as alpha down, color 2 as alpha down. So now we have an alpha. Okay, so to see it, what we need is basically press go to the factor and connect it with alpha. Let's go here. Now we are seeing our stuff. Good. And let's just go to math node and go to multiply, and I believe all the properties are same. Okay, so it should be 0.1. Oops, 0.1. There we go. And connect it to brick width and brick height, and yeah. Okay, so press Shift D to multiply it again, and for this time we're going for 0.01 and just go for mortar size. Okay, so now we're seeing some stuff. So let's press Shift to use some of the stuff. Yeah, there we go. That's it. So to create a group node, we can create a group node here. So yeah, it should be a transmission, so that means the emission. So let's create an emission here. There we go. Okay, that's it. Just create a group, press Ctrl G, and this one is let's go here. This one should be thickness, and this one should be here, and size. Okay, and yeah, we can use motor size as well, but nah, it should be emission. Yeah, so let's create this emission. Oops, emission. There we go. That's it. Here's your group. Just name it grid, and here we go. Done. Yep. Yep. That's it. Thickness. I'm pressing shift and size. There you go. Okay, done. Thank you. I think I forgot to tell you, the grid node has only this shader node, okay, and also the compositor node we have built earlier, this one, okay, and the compositor extra all nodes only have this compositor one, okay, because I don't want to mix it up. Yep, that's it. I'm Father Sampathik from CG Virus here, and we're going to see you next time. Bye bye.